Our project is going to start from Highland Drive as well as West Riverside Drive and head to the east towards Sheboygan. The first part of our construction is going to be at the intersection, where we'd like to get the intersection all rebuilt prior to starting the rest of the project. Once this is rebuilt and asphalted, we will shut the traffic off from this point just to the east of Highland Drive all the way through the roundabout up to about here. This will all be constructed at that time, and once this is done, we will then start the project from here and work our way back to the east. There will be a temporary drive put in here to support the Kohler company's functions with their employees, as well as hauling their materials over to their pit. The reason for this construction is that our road rating of this road is a 3 out of 10, which is 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. We have some failures that are going along here in this area where there's some retaining wall that needs to be replaced. We have poor surfaces, poor underground drainage that needs to be replaced, and that will be taken care of with this project. We will be eliminating access on this end as well. We will no longer have the access back to the Highland Drive as it currently exists today. The only access will come from the Roosevelt Road back out to County Trunk PP. A roundabout is being proposed and designed. We're working with the Village of Kohler as well as the Kohler Company in order to make sure everybody's needs and for capacity is acceptable. One other thing I failed to mention as we were going through, we are reducing the road's cross-section. Currently today it's a 4-lane highway. We are going to reduce it down to 3. The reason we're doing the 3 is due to the events that happen at the Kohler Golf Course. When there's a high influx of traffic in the morning, we will route the traffic in and we will utilize this as a 2-lane highway on the north side. And at the end of the day, when there's a large egress from that event, we will then put traffic control in and bring 2 lanes back out. That will support those operations. Once the intersection is completed, opened up, all the asphalt is down, curb and gutters placed, we will then close the road from this point where our temporary driveway, our temporary road is, all the way down to the river bridge. This, again, will be reduced down to 2 lanes. Currently it's a 4-lane highway with a large divided median. We're going to be splitting that median, coming down the center, and then tying into the north lanes that head to the west. We'll follow that all the way through. As you can see, there's a bike path that then jumps across the side of the south of the side of the road and ends down in the Estingler Park area. Throughout this project, we're going to be recycling the materials that are there. This way we can utilize the concrete, the old concrete pavement that's there. We'll bring in a crusher, crush that up. We'll utilize that for our new base. The green space, this will be grass when it's done, in between the walking path or the pedestrian path and the road. And we believe this would be a great tie into the Taylor Drive walking paths as well. Again, this is an old piece of concrete that rates at number 3. We get numerous calls on the potholes. The concrete has failed and it's in need replacement. And this is a great way for us to take a road that is built for a much larger capacity than what is used for today, reduce that down, which then reduces our maintenance cost well into the future.